Sibonge baniphila ama-comrade. Umuntu abingelele. Udaba lama-dispute lubaluleke kakhulu ngoba ayikho inhlangano esurvive without ama-ward. Kungaba khona u-national office or provinces konke lokho okunye ngaphezulu. Kodwa uma izinto zingalungile at a ward level, that party is going to have a challenge. So kube yiphutha elikhulu nobutsotsi obukhulu ukuthi i-regional detachment yasoGwini ithi kule khalazo eziwu-22 yona eziwu-21 iyayichitha ngoba ibone ukuthi akuzona ikhalazo. Mhlambe ke vele umuntu mekuthi ube khona edeploy khona lapho la kukhalaza khona akafuni ukuthi phela kuvele manje usekunesikhalazo. So mhlambe ke ezinye zezizathu edala ukuthi bathi dismissed, and kungako sithi asisay recognize the top 5 leadership in Ugu region. Asukusebenza nayo isikhombisile ukuthi ayiwenza umsebenzi, iyahluleka iwona umsebenzi, ayiwa recognize ama voices on the ground. Nathi asi recognize. Ikhona i-email address eyathunyelelwa mayelana nezikhalazo yase KZN. Leyo email address uma ubuthumelele abanye abaholi bazovuma abakhona khona la ukuthi KZN has responded, would have received isikhalazo. But kwathi mekuthunyelelwe izikhalazo upresident wabiza meeting eGoli. So kwabaphoqa ukuthi abanyuke ke baye eGoli ngoba ezinye nathi meninletha kubona physically ukuthi bayaphuma baye eGoli bayo attend the meeting ebizwa upresident. But ke iKZN izozisebenza izikhalazo ngenxa ukuthi ke iprovince inkudlwana kuzomela nayo ihlele ingabe sikhala ngokuthi isikhathi asikho ngoba bebuthatha ubuholi babazi ukuthi it involves planning and it involves ama-disputes, because inhlangano yepolitiki kumele ihlezi ne-office lama-dispute ukulungisa into yayo ngaphakathi. But ke failing which, disputes can also be forwarded to the national leadership. Unfortunately, sabona ama-guidelines nje kwi-office lanobhala but akazange asitshene ukuthi nayi email address ku-national, nayi cell phone number, nangu umuntu odila nama-dispute, nali ikomiti lama-dispute, which is why we will continue to be disappointed by the office of the SG uNomvalo. Ukuthi bayakhuluma nje, bakhuluma kamnandi, bashaya ilogan, bebe phambili bekhuluma, bathule kamnandi. Kodwa into ye-administration ne-office of the SG ayenzekanga kahle. Nezikhalazo futhi zokuthi kwaqokwana kanjani for the election teams abakunakanga. Nalokho ama-disputes nakhona futhi abaprovidile any solution. So that is why we do not recognize uNomvalo, and furthermore why we don't recognize Ugu detachment top 5. Luckily, the president has intervened with the SPT. Ukuthi ama veterans ayekhalazile kwasawona ukuthi they no longer feel they have a voice within MK party, although kwakuyibona abade besebenza underground with president to create living structures within the provinces. The president then created the SPT to coordinate, run the election machinery, and conduct the party affairs. SPT has not sent ukuthi ke eKZN ubani okhona, Ugu region ubani okhona kanjalo. But lokho akuvimbi umsebenzi wama-disputes ngoba it is emergent. Into ke engicabanga ukuthi sidala umsindo omningi kakhulu yile ma-comrade ukuthi u-national organizer uComrade Walek Nkoni released a 2-page letter yesterday, which I think it was released prematurely without assessing the implications and the consequences of what is going to happen on the ground if Etienne aqhutshekwe door-to-door to campaign for candidates. Because awukwazi ukuthi ungacampaignela umuntu ongamseki mhlawumbe kokunye oqokeke ngendlela ongayiseki mhlawumbe kanjalo. So that letter was released prematurely by Comrade Alec Nkuna, the national organizer, and he's going to have to clarify ukuthi i-mandate comes from the National Organizer's Office, or does it come from the SPT? And when is the right time for AMAWAD, which have a dispute, to conduct the door-to-door exercise? Because I think ukuthi yona into esisibeke la kulomsindo manje ukuthi ngala sithumelela ama-email ezikhalazo akuphendulwa i-KZN i-region vele sisidayisile. Bese ukuthi lapha ku-national uComrade Alec Nkuna bese ethi yaqhutshekwe no-door to door engathi asikhalazile. Isixazululo kodwa siyeza ke ama-comrade. KZN njengoba ngisho has had the emails because baby out of province. Surely they are going to come back and say ngosuku olukuthi ngesikhathi esukuthi sicela lobuholi beward sicela ama comrade akhalazayo as well as i-candidates leyo ekuthiwa iwinile nabanye kuhlanganwe kuzokhulunywa. And umuntu mhlawumbe akubalule ama-comrade when it comes to a dispute akungabi ukuthi uyakhuluma nje iba ukuthi ke mhlawumbe ke comrade u-attach nobufakazi ube nesithombe somuntu mhlawumbe enza into e-wrong. For example, uma uthi khona umuntu bephuzile noma bephuza akube khona isithombe noma ivideo. Uma kuwukuthi uthi khona umuntu ovotile ongahlale ewadini akube khona isithombe noma ivideo sakhe lowo muntu elapha emeeting nevote. Lokho kuzosiza kakhulu ekutheni isikhalazo sakho noma sewadi sizwakale ngoba kuzobe khona ubufakazi. Uma kungekho ubufakazi akukho okunye ongaba khona beside ukuthi kube khona ofakazi. So if ungenayo into iba nabantu kodwa abazokufakazela. Sithembe ke ama-comrade ukuthi i-KZN in dealing with ama-disputes ngeke ithathe ikomiti elihlala kuleyo region ngoba likwi-structure se-KZN bethi abayosebenza into yangakubo ngoba siyazi there's going to be another challenge of there's a possibility of being biased and ama-comrade uthola ukuthi they are moving along factional lines, which is going to frustrate the region further because we are talking about a large number of wards. 21 wards, we reach in 86 is a big number because we know in some wards we don't even have a party agent there. We don't even have a presence in some of the wards because amanye we DA, amanye winwa ANC, amanye winwa IFP. So masulahla ama-ward awu 22 noma u-21 already should you are pushing the party to coalition waters after November 4. We are decreasing the support of Umkhonto weSizwe. So isenzo se regional detachment. That is why sisigxeka ngalendlela esikhuluma ngayo. We no longer recognize ukuthi bane leadership. We no longer recognize ukuthi they've got the interest of MK Party at heart. Sithembeke ama-comrade ukuthi sothi silindile sibe nokuyithoba i-KZN nayo sizoyinikeza nje isikhathi singangesonto ukuthi ikwazi ukuthi isitshele ukuthi izobuya nini izohlala nalama-ward anama-disputes. Siyabonga.